Welcome guys, my name is Muhammad Sahib Sumro and today we are going to discuss about the Pakistan Stock Exchange. Before going into the further topic, let's discuss what is a stock exchange. Actually, a stock exchange is a place where where shares of listed companies are bought and sold in the market. What's the job of the stock exchange? They brings the companies and investors together, and it helps companies to raise their capital or money by issuing it to be shares to be sold to the investors. Let's discuss about the Pakistan Stock Exchange, in which we'll talk about the share price, market capitalization, and different sectors of the Pakistan Stock Exchange. So I have opened a website of a Pakistan Stock Exchange, and if we want to see the different sectors of the Pakistan Stock Exchange, we have to go into the market summary. In this sector, there are total 531 companies which are listed in the Pakistan Stock Exchange in different of 36 sectors. And today we are going to talk about the fertilizers sector. So you can see fertilizer sector, there are 6 companies which are listed in the fertilizer sector. Number 1 is Asif Al Habib Agro Corporation, Agro Fertilizer Limited, Fatima Fertilizer Corporation Company, and Fauji Fertilizer bin Qasim, and Fauji Fertilizer Company. So we will see their share prices and market capitalization. So if we see the highest share of today fertilizer company, so it is Agro Corporation, which have 237.95 rupees share price, and the lower price was 236.8 and the higher was 238. So the current price where it stopped was 237.43, and the change was of minus 0.31, and there was a change in the market of Agro Corporation. Then there was then the lowest share was of Fauji Fertilizer bin Qasim Limited, which was 19.65. Now you can check the difference between Agro Corporation and Fauji Fertilizer, almost 210 there was difference of both companies. The minimum price was 19.5, highest was 19.75, and the current price where it stopped was 19.59, which is still the current price of the Fauji fertilizer. And the difference was, the change was -1, and total 1,04,000 shares was sold today. And if we see their market value, which is also known as the market capitalization, which is also the same as I have told you earlier, the share price. And let's see their daily report. Yes, after this we will go into the market and we'll select the sector summary. Now you can see these all are the 36 sectors of different units, which we can say a fertilizer, energy, cement, chemical, engineering. All companies are listed in these different 36 sectors of the Pakistan Stock Exchange. Now we will go into the fertilizer sector. Yes, Now we will go. Now we will see the Agro Fertilizer and Fauji Fertilizer bin Qasim Limited company, their daily basis or monthly basis report of the share. Agro Corporation, we'll click in Agro Corporation and Fauji bin Qasim. Now we see the Agro daily report. So the open share was 237, high was 238 and lower was 236, and total shares were sold 1,19,409, and the shares were stable around 2 or 1, from 12 to till 2 the share were stable, which was sold around 237 and 1500 shares were sold at that time. Now we see the monthly report of the Agro Corporation Limited. Now you can see in October the lowest was the September 15th 2022 at 6 p.m. The lowest price of share was that time, which was 227.64, and the higher was on October 7, which was 337. You see the volume, almost 6 lakh shares were sold at 7th October and 3 lakh were sold on 15th September. Now we will see the Fauji Fertilizer share, which was 19, high was 19.75, low was 19.50, and total shares were sold 1,04,000. There, if we see around from 11 o'clock till 2:30, the price of the share was 19.65, and total 500, around we can say 500 shares were sold around 2:30. And we see the monthly report. So the highest share was sold at September 19, which were 4 lakh shares, and the share price was 20 rupees per share. And the lowest was on October 5. The price for share was 19, and total 4 lakh shares were sold. So this is a Pakistan Stock Exchange. By this way, this was about Pakistan Stock Exchange, that how it works on daily basis, and I hope you understand the video. Thank you very much.